Hey there, this is me, ALS, and today is my birthday. I am on my way to a hotel called Italian Bar Hotel, where there is this long pool that I can hopefully swim in. I said that because the last time I was at a hotel, Enoch Luxury Hotel in Abulegba, Lagos, I couldn't swim because the pool ended up being too deep for a girl who can't swim to save her life. Hey guys, so I'm currently at the pool.
Got you too.
And to be honest, I don't want to swim. If you are interested in seeing that vlog, a link will be in the description. Okay, where was I? The pool. Before we get to the pool, let's try and cook something to eat, shall we? Say a prayer and wish your girl a happy birthday in the comment section, please. Happy birthday, ALS. Yes. Hey guys, so I am currently at the market. I want to buy vegetables, meats for fried rice that we are going to cook now as per the birthday. So come shop with me, guys. Oh, this one not fresh. Oh, you want this one? Let me see. Let us see.
All this is 15 cedis. Okay. You want 10 cedis?
This one is better. Guys, vegetables are so expensive in Ghana. Very expensive. You won't believe the carrot that they sold for me for 10 cedis, which is equivalent of 1,000 naira. You won't believe it. So small. Let me see if I can show you guys how small it is. Oh, here we go. Guys, you see it? It's about 5 inside. Let me show you what. This one now is 200 naira. Just this one, 200 naira. So they gave me 5 of these for 1,000 naira. So fucking expensive. How much last? Where the other one? Where is the one that is bigger than that? Let me see. You want this? Hey, what do you want to buy? What do you want you want the bigger one? 60. And fresh. I wanted to buy liver, but it's finished. I always like liver in my fried rice. Now I have to cook it with alcohol. Guys, I saw Bama mayonnaise. You won't believe it. 2,400 for 2,400. Something that I used to buy in Lagos, 1314. It's 2,400 in Ghana. It's like times 2. Yes, it's times 2. They added shipping, they added everything. It's crazy. I want to buy small one. I will share small one. I will not mind the amount because I know Bama and I love Bama. But I'm going to try one of these there, Ghanaian's own. Hopefully I like the taste. Guys, the carrot I bought before, they said it's foreign carrot, that is why it's expensive. This one is local carrot and this is 500 naira. I'm done buying stuff in the market. Time to head home and do some cooking. after which we are going to head out for the birthday proper. So let's go, guys. Hey guys, so I mistakenly deleted some clips. I don't know how I made such a mistake, but shit happens. Anyway, we are done cooking, eating, and right now we are on our way to the hotel. I am yet to see your birthday messages. Please leave them in the comment section. Say a prayer for me and wish me happy birthday in the comment section. Thank you so much. I love you.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
You're the night sky, trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time, I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky, I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.